Today's I am came from the comments, and it says, I am blessed with God in my life. I am blessed with God in my life. Are you blessed? And what makes you know that you are blessed? I am blessed with God in my life. Let me know what you know you are blessed with. Today's encouraging word says, I trust myself and the process of life. I trust myself and the process of life. We have to trust the process of life. There are some things in our life we just cannot prevent or stop. And we have to trust the process, knowing that God, the universe, is going to take care of us and the situation. I trust myself and the process of life. What is it that you are trusting today that you know without a doubt that it will be taken care of? Don't stop praying. The moment you are willing to change, God will open doors for you. Do not be afraid of change or to make changes. The moment you decide to change, God will open doors for you. I am using no glitter glue. I am just taking the shimmer and going over this grain. It is very, very pretty. I am still using the FLAIR palette. Trust yourself. If you decide to make changes, trust yourself. God will open doors for you. Today's look is complete. My lip combo is a Juvia's Place, the Fumi lip color. They don't have that anymore. And my trusty little wine color lip pencil. Those are the two that I have on. Always remember you're first. Do not dim your light for another person. Something just came into my spirit. If you are getting a little jealous about somebody else, please pray on it. Because what you are seeing might not be what is true for the person. You might be playing this big, lavish thing in your mind. And meanwhile, that person is struggling behind the scenes. Please do two things. Pray for you not to be jealous of the person or the thing. And number two, pray for the person. Pray for yourself first so you're not jealous of the person or the thing you are jealous about. And number two, say a prayer for the person. Because if you're jealous of that person, it is not the person's fault. It is a choice that you are making. Your vision is being distorted. So bring yourself back to center, which is your soul, which is God, which is spirit. and then see things in a different light. Until I see you and you see me, keep rising. Every time you wake up with the breath of life, keep rising. I will see you shortly. Please remember to watch this video and all my videos and my playlist to the end. The watch time hours truly does help. I appreciate you kindly. I will see you very shortly. Bye. Today's look. I'm just doing silliness in the end. I'm always doing something. I hope I made you smile. I hope I made you smile. Big ol' hug. Big ol' hug.